Number 14 to number 21. 21 nagdadala ng bola. Long pass to number 2. Now, yun! Ang galing mo! Number 4, 2 points. Number 18, nagdadala ng bola. Number 18, dumiretso, traveling without passport. Number 25 to number 21. Time, 3 minutes and 38 seconds for the first quarter. 21 to 20. Pass to number 20. Ayun, tumira, wala. Ayun, pumasok by number 20. Foul by number 12.
Balbuena, plus 1. Balbuena, foul, ha?
Yeah, plus 1. Plus 1 na. Wala. Rebound by number 12. Galing mo, bata. Nakita mo sa silong. Number 3. Number 3. Go down, sabi ni Ivy. Ayun.